Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using TextKing's website. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So in this site, you'll work as a text chat operator or phone operator. So all you need to do is open the website and click on apply. Then here you will find the jobs. The jobs will pay you for every message as you see. So you can find the job that suits you and you can apply for it, and you will get paid for every message you have sent. So the primary responsibilities for your job is to react for instant messages, gather information, researches, logs, customer info, and communicate to customers in a timely manner. Must have the capacity to type 25 WPM, and it's so easy. The clients require to cover a wide variety of shifts to offer the best service to their customers. And here is more available positions for phone chat, as you see. And when you click apply in any job, this is what you will see. You will give your name, email, and age. You will type here your country, and here you will type if you have a chat experience or not. Here you will check the agreement box, then you will submit the application. They will respond to you as fast as possible. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.